Here's the truck with the grill off. I put the grill light housing up there. I took the oil pan off and checked the crankshaft and the rod bearings and rod caps and the rods, connecting rods, and brand new. Got rebuilt it. They had a stamp on it. Got rebuilt it. I'll show you the wiring. There's all the wiring goes from the video.
Oh, guess what?
All to the terminal block. All this is to the terminal block. All the wiring. Each one goes 10 terminal blocks. Here's my wiring diagram for each wire. I marked off all the wiring. Here's my gauge light feature to switch speedo, RPM, water, fuel pressure, fuel level, voltage, oil pressure, and oil temp. And there's how it's going to look in the dash, the drawing template. Show you. Here's all the terminal block, fuse block. That's how it's gonna look when it's on. When it's on this. When it's on that. Little by little. That's how the dash is going to look like on the truck. Look at that. It's a little drawing template. I was going to make this my shifter. Customize shifter. Right here I'm going to keep the stock the original glove box on it. I was thinking about probably going to make it bigger. But I got to get 9 toggle switches. 9 of them. Just like this. On, off. But that's how she's gonna look. 9 of them. We'll get gauges. I don't know what kind of gauges I'm thinking about. I haven't think about what gauges, but that's how she's gonna look. It's gonna look great. All the wiring. I just gotta build the dash. Get that in there. I'll show you what the dash is gonna look like. I'll show you the engine compartment first. There she is. There's the wiring. Goes in the dash. Here I'm gonna put a hydraulic clutch master cylinder and a hydraulic brake booster, hydraulic brake caliper, runs off hydro brakes. Then I gotta put a steering pump on it, runs off your steering. Bigger compressor goes right here, but there's my big old radiator. Here's my overflow. Pepsi. Love Pepsi. It's a diesel hauler. That's it. But love Pepsi. You know how I drink Pepsi. I'll show you the inside. Can't really see. I welded this panel on That's how she's gonna sit, since she's like that. Over there, the radio panel is gonna, it's gonna be a little tilted straight, so it's straight across. When I get the 18 gauge steel, make it. That's all the gauge. Gauge is only about 2.5 inches. They're not that big. That's how it's gonna look. Fits perfect. Look just like a big rig. I took the seat apart, put the seat frame in here, just how I want the height. Be look nice. She rocks a lot. Tires going flat on it. Gotta get new tires for it. Here's the batteries I was gonna use. I decided not to use these tires. Decided not to use these batteries because they're toast. Can't charge them. I gotta clean my shop up. Clean it up tomorrow. I'm about to go on and download this onto the computer. You know what to do. Vote, comment, subscribe. Good night, YouTubers.